Welcome to Quick Fix, the show where I answer your most commonly asked tech questions in 90 seconds or less. Today, we're keeping track of our passwords. If you're fed up with having to change your password every single time it's exposed in a data leak, which you're definitely doing, right? Then using a third-party password manager might be the best way to manage all of your accounts. There are a handful of excellent options to choose from, including 1Password and Dashlane. You'll have to sit down and compare which service has the features that you need. If you require extra utility, you might have to pay for a subscription. But once you've figured out which password manager is the right one for you, getting started with the basics is the same. When you sign up for a password manager, you need to choose a master password. This is the password that protects all of your accounts and the one you absolutely cannot forget. Now start visiting all of the sites where you use passwords. But instead of logging into the site itself, you enter your login credentials into the password manager. Then the service logs you in. Think of a password manager as the service running interference between you and all of the sites you visit, but in a good way.